Hello students, this is the continuation of Introduction to Yoga and Meditation for Professional Excellence and Stress Management. What are the benefits of yoga in day-to-day life? Yoga offers an effective method of managing and reducing stress, impatience, depression, and numerous studies demonstrate the efficacy normally way to say effectiveness of yoga on mood related disorder. Yoga as a complementary intervention for cancer, asthma, and heart diseases. On December 1, 2016, yoga was listed by United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO, as an intangible cultural heritage. It enhances muscular strength, body flexibility, promote and improve respiratory, that is breathing system, and cardiovascular function, improve sleep pattern, and enhance overall well-being and quality of life. No side effect. Next one, importance of yoga. Yoga significantly decreases heart rate, systolic and diastolic pressure. What is systolic and diastolic? Blood pressure is measured using two numbers. First number called systolic blood pressure. Systolic blood pressure measure the pressure in your arteries when your heart beat. Second number, diastolic blood pressure. Measure the pressure in your arteries when your heart rests between beats. Be clear. Studies suggest that yoga reverses the negative impact of stress on the immune system by increasing level of immunoglobulin A as well as natural killer cells. Yoga has been shown to have immediate psychological effect, decreasing impatience or anxiety and increasing feelings of emotional, social and spiritual well-being. Awareness about yoga in current scenario. Idea of International Day of Yoga was first proposed by the current Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, during the speech at the United Nations General Assembly UNGA on 27th September 2014. The International Day of Yoga was started celebrated annually on June 21st, 2015, because to know the basic knowledge of yoga and its importance. After knowing the importance of yoga, people from all over the countries started practicing yoga. Impact not only changed the mindset of people, it all caused great impact to school students and colleges as a day-to-day activity, compulsory. Be clear. Apart from schools and colleges, it also caused great impact to employee, workers, by organization, weekend activities to reduce the stress. Meditation. What is meditation? Meditation is a practice that has been associated with almost all religion and civilization across the world. It is closely associated with religion. Many people take meditation to be the same thing as praying. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years. These days, meditation is commonly used for relaxation and stress reduction. Are you clear or not? Yoga and meditation together help an individual to achieve professional excellence and manage stress because of work pressure and other factor in the working place or organization. Practice of yoga and meditation generate balanced energy, which is vital to the function of the immune system. Thank you for your attention.